Hey everyone, MrTass here, MrTass 3D Print Shop. I'm continuing my review of some items that I'm going to use during some international travel I have coming up and wanted to share. In case you're interested, you can find Amazon affiliate links in the description. Also make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, I appreciate it. So up next, I've got the Momex Universal Travel Adapter. So this is a converter for international plugs, from any type of international plugs to US or vice versa. Has a bunch of USB ports in it, and it's also 70 watts for some of those USB ports, so it can charge your devices a little better than some of the others, which are just basic normal speed USB. So as you can see in the image here, they've got a few different color options. I went with the gold, but they've got a black, a gold, there's a purple, and a white. And you can see right now it's $40, and there's a 20% off coupon, always handy. And again, 70 watt, all the different plugs, 3 USB-C, 2 USB-A, plus the adapters on there. And so we'll get into this in just a minute. You can see here, specifications, 5+1 fast charging. So yeah, the one on the side is the fast charging. But let's see what this looks like in hand, which is why you are here. Just turn that off. And so what you get this nice box. You can see about the size of a hand. On there, 70 watt Gentech. The video I have there is not specifically to this one, but there are a few that are similar. That one says Spica, but same type of thing. But you can see the images related to this one. So on the top here, you can see the USB-C1, 5 volt, 2.4, 9 volt, 3 amp, 12 volt, 3 amp, 15 volt, 3 amp, 20 volt, 3.25 amp, and 20.6 volt, 3.4 volt, C2. So a lot of different options there. In the box, you can see on the back here, the text, different colors. What do we got? Nothing else in there. Set you aside. Looks like you get a little instruction manual. Should be pretty straightforward. And inside here, we've got the adapters. So like I said, I got the gold. It's got a little bit of a shiny front there. This is the fast charging port, USB-C on the side. On the bottom here, you can see 2 USB-As, 2 USB-Cs. Get that a little closer. And then on this side, you've got the slide outs. So US, if you were converting a US plug, if you're international, to the different types here. In the UK, you can see there. And actually, the US is also Australia. Australia, their plugs get turned kind of that almost 45 degree. You can change which direction. So bring that back. And then you have EU, the 2 prongs. So yeah, pretty straightforward on how these things work. You just pick the right adapter you need, plug it in, and now you can plug your devices to the top there. Plenty of USB ports for all of your other devices like phones, tablets, whatever you got to charge. And weight's not bad. Now this one doesn't have a travel bag. Some of them do come with travel bags, but you can always check out the different options out there. But I think this is going to work great for my needs. I like all the charging port features there. So I look forward to using it in the upcoming trip. Thanks.